Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best drywall anchors is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked aspects of mounting your TV. Choosing the wrong anchors can lead to a disastrous and potentially expensive outcome, while the right ones ensure your precious flat screen stays put for years to come, providing peace of mind and a stunning viewing experience. This video will guide you through selecting and installing the perfect drywall anchors for your TV mount. Number 5. SnapToggle Drywall Anchor. Tired of weak anchors? These heavy-duty anchors hold significantly more weight than standard toggles. They're perfect for your home improvement projects. It holds up to 1,080 pounds in concrete block and 265 pounds in 1/2-inch drywall. That's twice the strength of many wing toggles. Its unique design means it's reusable and works in various materials and thicknesses. Use them in drywall, tile, concrete, and more. They are great for hanging TVs, grab bars, cabinets, and other heavy items. You can confidently hang your belongings with these strong anchors. Installation is simple, you only need a 1/2-inch drill bit. The small drill hole makes installation quick and easy. Each package includes 12 anchors and 12 bolts, ready to tackle your next project. The bolts are 2.5 inches long. What we like. It holds an impressive weight and is reusable, meaning you can use it multiple times. If you need a strong and reliable anchor for heavier items and want to avoid unnecessary waste, this is a great option. Its small drill hole size minimizes wall damage, making it perfect for those who prioritize a clean look. What people say. The directions were easy to follow and straightforward even for a novice. Item is extremely sturdy and stable and looks like a professional install. They work pretty well. They require a 1/2-inch hole, which is a bit large and leaves a lot of drywall dust on the floor. Once you've drilled the hole, the deal is to slide the plastic legs until the metal piece is perpendicular to the wall, slide the metal piece through the wall and, this is important, pull back on the plastic legs until the metal piece is flush against the back side of the wall. Then you slide the plastic collar down the legs until it is flush with the front of the wall. These anchors are rock solid and worth the money and learning curve. These are probably the best I've used. Number 4. Toggler SnapToggle Drywall Anchor. This innovative drywall anchor is designed for superior holding power and easy installation. It's perfect for a variety of hanging needs, both indoors and outdoors. It holds up to 265 pounds in 1/2-inch drywall and an impressive 1,080 pounds in concrete block. That's twice the strength of wing toggles. Its unique design ensures it stays put and can be reused multiple times. It works in walls and ceilings of various thicknesses, from 3/8-inch to 3 to 5/8-inch. Use it to securely hang flat-screen TVs, grab bars, handrails, cabinets, and more. It's suitable for drywall, tile, concrete blocks, and plaster. It requires only a 1/2-inch drill bit, not included. Each package contains 20 anchors and 22.5-inch bolts, ready to use. Experience the difference with its superior strength, reusability, and versatility. It's the smart choice for all your hanging needs. What we like. This offers the same great strength and reusability as the previous one, but with a larger quantity. If you have multiple items to hang or anticipate needing replacements, buying in bulk saves you money and time in the long run. The small hole size is also a plus for a neat installation. What people say. The directions were easy to follow and straightforward even for a novice. Item is extremely sturdy and stable and looks like a professional install. They work pretty well. They require a 1/2-inch hole, which is a bit large and leaves a lot of drywall dust on the floor. Once you've drilled the hole, the deal is to slide the plastic legs until the metal piece is perpendicular to the wall, slide the metal piece through the wall and, this is important, pull back on the plastic legs until the metal piece is flush against the back side of the wall. Then you slide the plastic collar down the legs until it is flush with the front of the wall. These anchors are rock solid and worth the money and learning curve. These are probably the best I've used. Number 3. Toggler SnapToggle Drywall Anchor. It's a heavy-duty drywall anchor, perfect for all your hanging needs. It holds significantly more weight than other toggles, making it incredibly reliable. This anchor holds up to 1,080 pounds in concrete block and 265 pounds in drywall. That's twice the strength of standard wing toggles. Its unique design ensures it's reusable and works in walls or ceilings from 3/8 inch to 3 to 5/8 inch thick. You can use it again and again. It's great for hanging TVs, grab bars, handrails, cabinets, and more. It's the perfect solution for your heavy hanging projects. It requires only a 1/2 inch drill bit for installation. This makes it quick and easy to install, even for DIY enthusiasts. Each pack includes 4 anchors and 4 2.5 inch bolts. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This is a smaller pack size, ideal for smaller projects or if you only need a few anchors. It provides the same robust holding power and reusability as the larger packs. If you're working on a smaller project or just need a few anchors to get the job done, this is the most economical choice. What people say. My togglers were, I think, repackaged from bulk and came quickly, but without instructions. I found the manufacturer's website, read up on them and watched the tutorial videos. They were exceedingly easy to install and are really innovative. Once I drilled the holes in the drywall, I inserted the togglers, leveled them, and snugged them in very tightly just like I saw in the video. Super easy, and the first TV took about 20 minutes to hang, but I'm a little slow and deliberate. Second TV was up faster and they've been up for over a year and a half, with mild seismic activity in the first year while shaking cracking construction nearby, wide variations in weather and temperature. Both TVs are mounted on outside walls, and the TV mount bolts are as tight and secure as the day they went in. 4 of these would hold the TV and heavy mount with no problem. Number 2. Heavy-duty drywall anchors kit. It's time to simplify your hanging projects. These self-drilling drywall anchors eliminate the need for pre-drilling, making installation quick and easy. Built with high-quality zinc, they are incredibly durable and corrosion-resistant, ensuring they'll last for years to come. They're designed to be sturdy and reliable. With a weight capacity of up to 100 pounds, it's perfect for a wide variety of hanging needs, from pictures to shelves and more. They're strong enough to handle your heavy items. Installation is a breeze. The included instructions guide you through a simple, quick process. You'll have your items hung up in no time. The kit comes with everything you need: 10 drywall anchors and 10 screws. The one-piece design ensures you won't lose any parts during installation. These anchors provide a secure and reliable hold for all your hanging needs. Enjoy the ease and convenience of a hassle-free hanging experience. What we like. It's self-drilling, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and want to avoid the hassle of pre-drilling, this is the anchor for you. Its heavy-duty design and ease of installation make it perfect for various hanging needs. What people say. They work and they don't come loose in the wall. Easy to install with impressive holding power. The self-drilling works well. These are the only anchors that I have found to work without making an enormous hole. Number 1. CondoMounts EDA 1426 Anchors. It holds up to 90 pounds. Mount your TV, shelves, or curtain rods with confidence and enjoy rock-solid stability. No studs. No problem. These anchors work on metal studs or where no studs are available, providing versatile installation options. Pre-install them easily without bolts. They're perfect for various hollow materials up to 1.5 inches thick, making installation quick and effortless. Everything you need is included: 25 anchors, screws, washers, and a drill bit. No extra trips to the hardware store required. Made with corrosion-resistant zinc-plated metal and secure plastic straps, they stay put, even when the bolt is removed, for easy changes. Perfect for TVs, cabinets, shelves, and more. Transform your space with these multi-purpose anchors. Specifically designed for metal stud walls, they provide a secure hold that traditional anchors can't match. Conquer any project with ease. What we like. It's designed for metal studs or no stud situations. If you're dealing with metal studs or lack of studs, this anchor provides a secure solution. Its easy installation and versatile design make it perfect for various hanging needs. What people say. Works well for mounting TVs. Bolts hold on tight. Recommend using a Phillips head screwdriver to finalize the bolt to avoid stripping. I mounted an older 42 LED TV, soundbar, and AV rack for my partner in her new apartment with minimal issues. I also remounted some poorly mounted IKEA shelves with 3 of these for much better stability. Also mounted 3 new bookshelves with these and they are rock solid. Most of it's been up for 5 to 6 months now with no issues. Will definitely use again. These are excellent anchors. Unlike some other brands, these actually fit through a 1-2 inch hole. Good solid mounting and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.